Could spending 7 years in the United States eventually open a new path to a green card for H-1B visa holders? A proposal from Senator Alex Padilla could potentially do exactly that for some long-term residents, including Indian professionals stuck in the employment-based green card backlog. The legislation is called the Renewing Immigration Provisions of the Immigration Act of 1929 Act. It seeks to modernize a little-used provision of U.S. immigration law known as the registry. Currently, the registry can potentially allow certain people who have continuously lived in the United States since before January 1, 1972, to apply for lawful permanent residence if they meet other requirements. Because that cutoff date has not been updated for decades, very few people can use the provision today. Senator Padilla's proposal would make a major change. Instead of using the old fixed date, the bill would create a rolling requirement based on 7 years of continuous residence in the United States. That means certain immigrants who have lived continuously in the U.S. for at least 7 years could potentially seek permanent resident status if they also satisfy the other eligibility requirements. This could be particularly important for Indians. Indian professionals make up a significant share of the H-1B population, and many employment-based green card applicants from India face extremely long waits because of annual visa limits and per-country restrictions. The proposal could potentially benefit a much broader population as well, including dreamers, temporary protected status holders, essential workers, children of long-term visa holders, and other qualifying long-term residents. But there is a very important clarification for H-1B workers. Spending 7 years in America does not currently give an H-1B worker an automatic green card. This is proposed legislation. It would have to pass Congress and be signed into law before this 7-year registry framework could take effect. The proposal also does not mean everyone who reaches 7 years would automatically qualify. Applicants would still have to satisfy the applicable eligibility, admissibility, and other legal requirements. The bill is being co-led by Senator Dick Durbin, with companion legislation being led in the House by Representative Zoe Lofgren. It has also received support from a number of labor, immigration, and civil rights organizations. However, its political future remains uncertain. So, for Indian H-1B professionals waiting years or even decades for permanent residency, this is an important proposal to watch, but it is not currently an alternative green card route that applicants can use today. The key takeaway is simple. 7 years in the United States does not automatically qualify an H-1B holder for a green card under current law. This bill proposes creating a 7-year rolling registry system, but Congress must first turn that proposal into law.